Jai Shri Gurudev. So in last class we already discussed about second PUC mathematics differentiation. Now second order derivative. Next we move to the miscellaneous problems. Miscellaneous problems. So example 44. Example 44. Differentiate with respect to x the following functions. Differentiate madam. So many problems done now. So some problems are there, very important. So some problems I will give homework also. First question is like this. Example 44 first question. Okay. So here 3x plus 2 root 3x plus 2 plus 1 by root of 2x square plus 4. Okay. Now differentiate madam. D by dx of take d by dx of this whole thing. D by dx of 3x plus 2. 3x plus 2 root togoli root to the power of 1 by 2 ತಗೋಬೋದಾ 1 by 2 4 to the power of 1 by 2 root ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 by 2 root formula ಇದೆ direct ಆಗಿ take 1 by 2 but here 1 divided by ಇದಲ್ವಾ 1 divided by root ಇದೆ ಇದು so ನೋಡಿ 1 divided by ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 1 divided by 2x square plus 4 whole power 1 by 2 whole power 1 by 2 ಆಗುತ್ತಾ here also root is there no so 2x square plus 4 whole to the power of 1 by 2. So if you move to the numerator ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಇದು 2x square plus 4 it will become minus 1 by 2 ಆಗುತ್ತಾ whole power minus 1 by 2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So I will write directly. That's why I explained here. Okay. So 2x square plus 4 whole power minus 1 by 2. Okay. Next see. Now differentiate. It is in the form of d by dx of f of x whole to the power of n formula already seen now. So many problems done. F of x equals to f of x whole to the power of n equals to n into f of x to the power of n minus 1 into d by dx of f of x. Okay. So like that. See. So d by dx of f of x whole power n formula is there now according to that one. So therefore 1 by 2 into coefficient 3x plus 2 whole power 1 by 2 minus 1 into d by dx of 3x plus 2. So this is the procedure you have to follow. This procedure follow. Okay na? Same procedure plus so minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 into so 2x square plus 4 whole power minus 1 by 2 minus 1 so into d by dx of 2x square plus 4. Okay, so like that you have to simplify my dear students. Ee tara you simplify ಮಾಡಿ first. Next. So half into so half minus 1 half ಒಳಗೆ minus 1 ಹೋದ್ರೆ minus half ಆಗುತ್ತಾ. So therefore 3x plus 2 whole power minus half. So d by dx of 3x 3 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. d by dx of 2 0. So no need to write minus 1 by 2 into 2x square plus 4 whole power minus half minus 1 simplify ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 2 LCM ಆಗುತ್ತೆ minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 by 2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ so minus 3 by 2 okay into d by dx of 2x square is what 2 x square is 2x ಆಗುತ್ತೆ 2 2 is 4 4x ಆಗುತ್ತೆ so 4x d by dx of 4 0 so 4x is so 4x. So this is simplify ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ this is the answer. Okay. Now how to simplify it? So here I have 3 is 3 by 2. Okay, 3 by 2. See. So 3 is there 2 divided by 2. So 3 by 2 into 3x plus 2. 3x plus 2 whole power minus 1 by 2. So minus so ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಇದೆ 4 ಇದೆ 2 2s are 4 cancel ಆಗುತ್ತೆ so 2x ಆಗುತ್ತೆ minus 2x so minus 2x into okay see 2x minus 2x into this one So 2x square plus 4 whole power minus 3. So this is the answer. Okay. So my dear students, learn like this. Okay. ಇದನ್ನ ಮತ್ತೆ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಈ 1/2 ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ತರ್ತಾರೆ. So enough. Okay. So text book is there. Text book ಒಳಗೆ ಇದೆ. So observe that. Okay. Next we will move to the next problem. See, same second question. So example 44 ಒಳಗೆ second question. So y is equals to e power secant square x plus 3 cos inverse x. Very easy problem. Okay, y differentiate ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ differentiate with respect to x. Okay, with respect to x differentiate. dy by dx is equals to dy dx of e power secant square x plus 3 cos inverse x. 3 cos inverse x. Simplify. It is in the form of e power x. E power x ತರ ಇದೆ. So e power x ತರ ಇದೆ. x plus 1 is secant square x. Again differentiate secant square x. Okay. e power secant square x and d by dx of secant square x. So this is the differentiation. First one is over. Next we will go to this one. 3 is the constant. Make it out. So d by dx of cos inverse x, direct formula is there. What is that formula? Minus 1 divided by root of 1 minus x square over. Simplify it, it will be answer. Okay. E power secant square x. So e power secant square x into d by dx of secant square x formula is there now. d by dx of secant square x. Direct formula is not there. F of x whole power n. F of x whole power n formula is there now. Have to use that. Is equals to 2 secant x. Again differentiate secant x. Plus. So I minus 7 minus 3 divided by root of 1 minus x. Over. Very easy. Okay. Next. In simplify ಮಾಡಿ ಮತ್ತೆ. So e power 2 constant is there na. 2 constant 2 secant x first ತಂದ್ಬಿಡಿ. See my dear students, see. Next. e power secant square x into 2 secant x d by dx of secant x what? d by dx of secant x is equals to secant x into tan x. Minus 3 divided by root of 1 minus x. Okay, so this is the answer. Now simplify ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಬರೀ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇಲ್ಲವಾ? So secant ಎರಡು ಸಾರಿ ಇದೆ. 2 secant square x tan x into e power secant square x minus 3 divided by root of 1 minus x square. So this is the answer. Okay na? So textbook is there. Okay, simplify it. Okay, next we will move to the next third one. Third one. So y is equals to log of 7 log x base 7. See, one of the very important question for the main examination, my dear students. Okay, so second type of paper bandre average paper bandre ee tara problems irutte. Okay, somewhat average difficulty this is, but very easy problem also. Okay, so y first don't differentiate directly, simplify it. First simplify the logarithmic properties by using the logarithmic properties. Okay, how to use it? Y is equals to log of log x divided by log by log 7. This is a property, log 7. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್, ಬೇಸ್ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್, ಏನು ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ e ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಬೇಸ್ e. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ. ಈ ತರ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಇದ್ರೆ 7 ಆಗಲಿ 8 ಆಗಲಿ 9 ಆಗಲಿ ಇದ್ರೆ, ಸೊ ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಡಿವೈಡ್ log of log x divided by log 7. So this is the property, ಗುರ್ತಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. So what is that property means? Another time I will say log a base b ಅಂದ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, log a base b. What is this property means? Log A divided by log B. Log A divided by log B. This is property. Okay na? So by using that property, I am written like this. Okay. See. How to simplify? How to differentiate? Log 7 is what? Log 7 is a constant one. Differentiate with respect to x. Okay na? Now dy by dx is equal to tell me dy by dx of log x base e divided by log 7 base e. Okay na? And now simplify it. So 1 by log 7 is constant now. 1 by log 7 base e. So this is a constant. 1 by log 7 base e. And now simplify it. Log of log x. It is in the form of log x ತರ ಇದೆ. Log x expression ಏನಿದೆ? Log x again log x ಇದೆ. So therefore 1 divided by log x. 1 divided by log x. Again differentiate log x. Already 2 to 3 times told. Log of log x na 2 to 3 times told. Okay na? So again no need to tell again. This is equal. Okay. Simplify it. So 1 divided by log 7 base e log x. Okay. D by dx of log x is what? 1 by x. So 1 by x. So 1 by x. Again simplify it. Order first x bariде. So 1 divided by x log x. Otherwise log 7 constant must write down into x log x. So this is the answer. This is one of the important question. Okay, x log 7 x into log x kuda bari. First x bari. So x is constant. X is log 7 into log x. Okay na? So this is one of the important question. Okay. See next question. Example 45. Y is equals to cos inverse of sin x. Okay. Don't do directly. ಇದನ್ನು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ. cos inverse ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು cos inverse x ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ it is very easy. Okay. And another easy method is there. What is that? Means see. So cos inverse of sin x cos something ಇದ್ರೆ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ? That's why sin x can be written as cos pi by 2 minus x. Already told in first PUC. Okay, sin cos convert ಮಾಡೋದು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ pi by 2 minus. So don't directly differentiation, but simplify it according to the inverse trigonometric functions. Okay, pi is equals to cos inverse of cos pi by 2 minus x. So cos pi by 2 minus x is nothing but sin x. This is a formula is there. Okay, don't worry. Okay. Now cos inverse what? Cancel. Rest easy agavo. So therefore y is equal to pi by 2 minus x. Now we differentiate. Okay, differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate ಮಾಡಿ dy by dx. d by dx of pi by 2 minus x. So what is pi by 2? Pi by 2 is constant now. Constant d by dx of constant is what? 0 divided 0 minus d by dx of x. D by dx of x means dx by dx 1. So minus is there, minus 1. So therefore minus 1 is the answer. Very very important for the 2 marks question. 2 marks question ಕೇಳಬಹುದು ಇಲ್ಲ 1 mark question ಕೇಳಬಹುದು. One of the important question for the main examination. Okay, my dear students, see. Next we'll move to the next. See, my dear students, next questions. This is also same procedure you have to follow. Don't do directly differentiation. Okay, you have to use the inverse trigonometry functions properties, and you have to simplify. Then you have to differentiate. Okay, see. So y is equals to tan inverse of sin x divided by 1 plus cos x. Sin x divided by 1 plus cos x. So therefore y is equals to what? Y is equals to tan inverse of, let us write like this, sin 2x, one formula is there, no, sin 2x, 2 sin x cos x. Sin x is what? 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. So like that, 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2 all divided by 1 plus cos 2x, one formula is there, 1 plus cos 2x. Okay, what is that? 2 cos square x. 1 plus cos x means what? 2 cos square x by 2. So 2 cos square x by 2. So we don't know that formula, means you have to learn. That's it. 1 plus cos x is cos barte, 1 minus cos is sin barte. Okay na? This is one of the important question. 2 cancel, 1 cos cancel, another cos is there. Sin by cos what? Tan. So therefore y is equals to tan inverse of sin by cos tan. So tan x by 2. So tan and tan inverse cancel out. So therefore y is equals to x by 2. It's easy again. Simplify again x by 2. Now it is very easy. It is easy. Differentiate. Okay. With respect to x. Y will become dy by dx. Dy by dx is equals to d by dx of x by 2. So 1 by 2 is constant now. 1 by 2 is constant. 1 by 2 is constant. X differentiate dx by dx is what? 1. So 1 leave it. So 1 by 2 is answer. Very easiest problem, but you have to know these formulas. Okay, ಈ formulas ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರನೇ ನಿಮಗೆ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Otherwise it is very difficult. ಗುರ್ತಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. sin x, what is the formula? 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. Okay, so 1 plus cos x, this is the formula. 2 cos square x by 2. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಬಂದರೆ ಸರ್ 1 minus cos x ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ 2 sin square x by 2 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Okay na? So like that you have to simplify, my dear students. Okay, don't neglect these formulas. These formulas are very important. Okay, first year you already learned these formulas. Submultiple angles are. Okay, so simplify according to that one. We'll get the answer. Okay, so my dear students, if you like this video, means please share and subscribe to my channel. If you have any doubt, comment below this video. Otherwise in WhatsApp you can ask. Thank you.